Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for a Dollar Tree haul. I'm so excited. I haven't been to the Dollar Tree in a while. Well, I haven't been to my Dollar Tree in a while, and I was happy to see some new stuff. So let me go ahead and show you. Now, I had purchased one of these before at another Dollar Tree, and one of my friends couldn't find it, so I gave it to her, but I was able to find another one right here. This is a sign for a brand new baby, and I will tell you what, I just had a brand new baby in my life, not mine, but he was born on the 9th, so I will make him a nice little sign and welcome him. And then, as you know, I have grandkids, so for their first day of school, I have one that's going into kindergarten, and then I have another one that's going into 3rd grade. So this is so fun to be able to take your pictures with. So I got that. A lot of new stuff to me. Let me start off down here. I've got found these on my game night. If you haven't seen, I'm having a game night. I'll put the link down below if you're interested. We're gonna play bingo, we're gonna play all kinds of fun stuff, but I got some bunches of little storage totes that I'm going to be making in different colors. But look at these storage totes. Aren't they adorable? And they are perfect for crafts for $1. Yes, and of course I will do something special with these. What else? Okay, so all of those are those, and then I got 2 of these little guys for organization. They fit perfectly in all of these drawers. So I have all these Alex drawers from IKEA, and this will organize them. See, it's a nice big one here, and then it's got a small one, and then it's got 3 even smaller ones. So you can organize them however you'd like. Another thing I found is this marker storage container. Look at this. It's got little places for you to stick your markers in. So if you're like me and you've got, like, see all these markers right here? Oh, I hope they fit nicely. And then they just snap right in, and then you can just put them on a shelf. Okay, first thing that I'm noticing, oh, okay, I was gonna say it didn't snap properly, but it did. It was me, it was a user error. All right, what else do we have? This was new to me. This is a grill scrubber, and it's nice and has like a handle right here, and then it's got the scrubber part. So it's really nice to scrub those grills if you are like me and having barbecues all the time. Another thing that I found are these wood magnets. They're little hexagon wood, and they have a magnet on the back. You guys, these are on Amazon. Now, you can get 3 of these for $3, right? But if you buy them on Amazon, it's like 20 bucks for an 18 pack. So hello. Get those. They're the exact same thing. I also picked this up. I have DIYs coming. If you haven't noticed, I was so excited I got the DIY bug. Again, it's just so fun when that comes to you. It's not as fun when you're just trying to, like, oh, I can figure something out. It's not fun. It's when it comes to you. That's when it's fun. Look at these. Now, all this stuff is new to me because I haven't been in a while. So if you've seen it already, I apologize. But this is fun. They're little bubble wrap there with a gold, and it's a votive candle. That's not going to be a votive candle, is it? It's going to be something else. This was the last one that they had of this, and it says family. And you could just put string and put it right through, or you can, you know, do some type of DIY with it, which is probably what I'll be doing. The grandkids loved these, so I got 2 of them. I took them with me, and they're just little food trays. They come with your utensils, a drink holder, and a little food tray. So you can use it right as your plate, or you can put a plate in there. But for $1 to get that, that is fun. What else do we have in here? I keep saying this is all new to me because I was so excited. I did pick up, okay, I picked up this one, which is the Dawn 50% less scrubbing. This is just regular actual Dawn. And then I picked up the Dawn Platinum. And I'm gonna put the two together. And I have one of those, you know, where you put it in your sink and the pump's already built into your sink. So I'm gonna be doing that. This is Shimmer Tropical Coconut. I love the smell of coconut. It just makes me think of summer. And I'm gonna open this up. Yes, there is. It smells like a drink, like a pina colada. And it says that it's Shimmer, so let's see if I see any shimmer going on in here. Just put it together. Do you see any shimmer? I don't know that I see shimmer, guys. So it looks like it's shimmery, but I don't see it. So, but the smell is nice. If you see it, let me know, because I definitely do not. I also grabbed this little pumpkin. Can you believe it's too early to be doing pumpkins, but you gotta get it when it's there. That's what I've learned. And then look at the little fox. Isn't that cute? It does look like the little foxes that are in the different stamp sets from Stampin' Up. So I was so excited. Next thing I did was buy one of these. I have these all over, like all over the place. But I was looking and I saw that people put their trash bag rolls in here, and then they put the trash bag through here and it just pulls out. That is a great organizing tip. So I thought that would be nice. I'm gonna give that a try. If it works, I'll let you know. If you do it, let me know. Now, I have a couple more things, but I always get these baskets. I put my DIYs in them. I put all kinds of stuff. But this one, this one I'm gonna put with a little chalk tag that's gonna say lost and found, because when you are the house of the family that has the pool in the summer in Phoenix, everyone comes over, everyone leaves their stuff. I think I have about 3 to 4 towels that I don't know who they belong to. I have a pair of boxer shorts, tons of bathing suits, like swim goggles, everything. I've got everything. So, all right. Oh, this is what I went for. And these probably aren't even the best, but I just need them quickly for the overhead bathroom over the shower. So they're just little LED light bulbs. I didn't know if I needed 1 or 2. So I just ran real quick to look at what they had at the Dollar Tree. And then I knew I was going to spend $1 or $2. I obviously spent more than that. So I got those. What else? Oh, I picked these up because I'm doing a little candy jar again. So many people coming over. And so I just have like a little layout with candies in them. And so I had a pack of M&Ms and wanted to put them in a nice little container. So that will not be a DIY. Although with all the candies, I probably should make like a little candy DIY. All right, Blemish stickers. These are the Bolero. Have you tried them? Let me know. Something tells me they're probably not that great, but I know you can buy some Blemish stickers on Amazon, and both my cousin and daughter-in-law use the ones from Amazon. So we'll try these, see if they work. They both say the Blemish stickers from Amazon work great. So we'll see if these do. In fact, we went out last night. My daughter had 2 of them on her face. Nobody knew. She pointed it out. All right, we have a chalkboard sign with a little holder. I love this. So much fun. So got that. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but, and now I got only one of these and I'm like, why did I only get one? Look at this. You guys, they are wooden flowers. What does it say? It doesn't say that they're wooden flowers, but that's what they are. That is a wooden flower. These are little wooden, like, cotton things. Isn't that cute? Does that not scream DIY? I only bought one. What was I thinking? So that is everything I got. If you like it, please give me a big thumbs up. Has my camera been dipping down a little bit? Well, all right. I guess it's time to go. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.